Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to sync voice memos from your Apple Watch to your iPhone on iOS 18. If you've been recording voice memos on your Apple Watch and want to access them on your iPhone, follow these simple steps. First, pick up your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you see the option for iCloud and then tap on it. Inside the iCloud settings, look for a section called Save to iCloud. If this section isn't fully expanded, tap on See All to open the full list of options. Now, scroll through the list and locate voice memos. Make sure the toggle switch next to voice memos is turned on. This enables iCloud syncing for voice memos. Once this is enabled, your recordings from the Voice Memos app on your Apple Watch will sync automatically with your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data for the syncing process to work. After a short time, the synced recordings should appear in the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.